How to put video in rounded corners rectangle. To begin, I added a video to my timeline and I want to put it in a rounded corner rectangle. Start by going to Project Panel, right-click and select New Item, Color Matte. The default is OK, then select a color that you want. I choose a white color and set the name of it. Now drag your video to a track above and drag the color matte in below track and change its size so it matches your clip. Now go to Effects panel and search for Roughen Edges. Drag and drop Roughen Edges effect into your video clip in top layer. With your clip selected, go to Effect Controls and under Roughen Edges, set Edge Type to Cut, and increase Border to 300. Set Edge Sharpness to 10. And Fractal Influence to 0. Now press Enter so Premiere renders the clip. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.